Peru celebrated their qualification for the 2018 Russia World Cup, so much that they caused earthquake alerts. The 2-0 win over New Zealand sparkled such celebrations at the National Stadium in Lima that Earthquake Network EP sent out a warning. When Jefferson Farfan opened the scoring after 28 minutes, the crowd went so wild that several earthquake detection apps were alerted to a potential natural disaster. A Twitter profile claiming to be the official account for seismic activity in Chile tweeted about the incident and kept followers in the loop as the freaky explanation was revealed. After alerting the world to the rumblings, they wrote, "Incredibly, the detection occurred at the exact moment when Peru scored the goal in the playoff game against Nueva Zelanda." It is confirmed that there is no natural earthquake in Lima. Apparently the emotion of the Peruvians made the application activate. Sismo alert detector would have activated in the district of Lima due to the celebration of Peru's goal to New Zealand. Clarify again what happened. Alert at Sismo detector product was activated. Ground vibration generated by the fans. Christian Ramos added a second for Peru in the second half to confirm their shock place at the summer tournament. Peru have not reached a final since the 1982 event, which will have played a part in the excessive celebrations.